Let's see if I can work this thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy weekend and happy morning. It is 10:30. We are heading off to James's auntie's house to dog sit for the weekend. She lives over in Lancashire. My geography is shit, by the way. Near Cone, so we're going over there to dog sit her puppies, and they are so cute. And she's got 2 spaniels and I think she's a terrier. I don't know. You'll see soon. So James is just getting some fuel because he is low in the fuel department. Oh, and welcome to our new car. This is our little car. Little, say little. It's massive. James decided to go from a Mini to a 4x4 Land Rover, which is quite exciting. Oh, there's my boo. He's just filling up. There he goes. Bye. So I got a new camera, as you can see. It's proper clear. So hopefully my videos will be a little bit better. It's the Canon G7X, but it's the Mark 1 version because I'm trying out the Mark 1 version before I go to a Mark 2, just to see how I get on and see if I actually like it. I like the fact that the screen is high and not across to the side, but we'll see how we get on. I'm gonna film a little bit this weekend and you guys can just join us in a bit of a like day in the life type thing, a weekend in the life. Well, it's a very exciting weekend, so we'll see you soon.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awaken in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah.
Hey puppy.
Hey puppy.
How you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you.
How you doing? Hi, little boy. Hi, Rosie Bear. Patchy, patchy, patch. Come on then. Hi, gorgeous. Yeah. Hi, Boo. Hi.
Go say hello.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Did we release the hounds? Hi.
Hi.
Hi, sorry about that.
Did Mummy just go shopping crazy?
Smile gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe in me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.
Release the house! Go! Morning. We are out. We're just going to take the dogs for a walk and then breakfast and then actually put some makeup on and look half decent. Men are so lucky that they don't have to do that.
I look like crap though. Come on then.
So we're just gonna take the doggies out in the field and then, wow, there are some bags. It's like having 3 toddlers, which is fine. It's all good fun and games. Hi, Baba.
No, perhaps not going in with the sheep because we don't want to fight. Because the size of that's a mean looking sheep. Like, bruh, I'm gonna take you down. You've seen the cottontail in the bottom.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe in me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile.
So we've had our plans foiled by the weather because it's absolutely hammering it down. We'd planned a dog walk a day or a long walk a day.
Well, a long walk today.
Which we can't do. Well, we can do, but we've literally packed for sun and
Somebody
it's-
left the waterproofs back at the house. Just saying.
It wasn't me. So we have decided to come into Cone, hit up our like all-time favourite shop, which is TK Maxx, and also where else are we going?
Boundary Mill, which
Boundary
is one
Mill.
that Cone is famous for.
Because they have like Karen Millen there, and I love Karen Millen. We love a bit of Karen Millen. So we're gonna do a bit of shopping and yeah, and see if the weather improves, and if it doesn't, it will be a day of shopping, which is very dangerous for some of us.
Why are you looking at me?
He knows, he knows. Gee, look at the rain. It's raining. It's really sad.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe in me, I need you.
we good? Come on then. Crazy fools. So we are back from shopping and from the cheeky KFC because we deserve it. Frankly, I've been tracking my macros since April. We've been doing macros since April.
April, yeah.
And I don't think I've had a takeaway in that entire time, which is quite depressing.
You haven't, but I have.
James has, because James has no self-control. Do you?
Nope.
That has been the first takeaway I've had since April, which is what? April, May, June, July, August. Nearly 5 months!
Yep.
Have I seriously not had a takeaway in 5 months?
No,
My life has been really depressing up until now. I'm not gonna lie, I feel totes guilty after that, but as James said to me in KFC, what did you say? I can't even remember.
I said if you don't have some downtime, you'll just fall off the wagon.
There you go, you heard it first. If I don't have some downtime, I will just fall off the wagon. I think the plan for the rest of the afternoon is just to walk the doggies and probably chill out and watch a movie, go for a drink, but depends on whether we're in too much of a food coma on the sofa
Plus, the
watching a film.
The weather's going to be nicer tomorrow, so maybe we should go for a drink tomorrow.
Yeah, so the weather's due to be nicer tomorrow here. So, yeah, we might do that instead.
Then we can walk to the pub.
It's full of really good ideas, this James. We might do that. I think tonight we are probably not going to eat anything.
No, coffee.
Maybe just coffee apparently. Coffee, salads, la 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 la. You know what, I don't think we've got too much in.
And then World War Z on TV.
It's movie night tonight.
Yeah.
And that's going to be pretty much it for the rest of the day because it's shit weather and it's not very nice outside. Not that we're not up for a good dog walk in the rain, but yeah, there you go.
Trail or something.
Did you enjoy your KFC?
Oh, yes. So I feel quite full now.
You will do, you had a lot.
Alright, there's no need to rub in. I know how much I ate, and it was a lot. Thank you.
James is lucky he can get away with eating everything.
I wouldn't say get away with it.
And then some.
Can bite me at some point.
You Kentucky Fried Chicken ass. I don't think Patch is bothered. Are you getting all dry, Patch?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more.
Good morning, little pooch. Hi. You're gonna follow me around all morning. Good morning! So it is Monday and we didn't finish vlogging very well last night. We ended up having mumbai and bread. The salad went down, not very well. So we are just gonna chill out this morning and I think we're gonna go, are we gonna head out today?
I suppose. We'll have to wrap up warm though because it's wet and
I don't
cold.
think James wants to go out today, so I think we're gonna have a brew and sit and watch TV for a bit. Back fasting today, so we've currently had coffee all morning and I think James is
Hungry. Very hungry.
he needs feeding soon. So I think we'll probably take the dogs out and then have some breakfast / lunch and then just chill out with Poochies. Hi! Chill out with Poochies and then maybe head out for a drink later.
Sounds like a good plan.
And then we'll see. We'll just play it by ear today because the weather's pants again.
You lied.
You lied. Always the lies. Never trust the weatherman.
Or woman.
Men are always wrong. Let's put it that way and leave it there.
Ouch.
Hey Poochie. That's not nice. And you've mucked up the camera lens.
Hey.
Constantly being followed by doggies. You want to break fast now?
No, I don't.
Do you want to break fast at 12?
No, I'll wait till 1. Filled with black coffee.
Life's so hard. Come on, let's go make James a coffee. So yeah, I think James is struggling with the fasting today, if I'm being honest. And I might just make breakfast now for him, otherwise he will be angry all day. Oh my god, the lighting in here is terrible. It makes me look like 80 years old and really tired. I didn't take the camera because it was raining for the most part. Just a bit of an adventure, let's put it that way and leave it there. We are just heading into town, which is Barrowford?
Yes.
To a little place called The Lounge, just for a drink. We came was it a year ago this weekend that we came?
Yep.
A year ago this weekend, which is bank holiday. Drinks there before, and I think it had just opened, or not soon before had opened. Maybe I'll try again and see what it's like, and just have a bit of me and James time without the dogs.
Yay!
Yay! We've not done much bank holiday drinking like most people will have done. Hangover free today, which is great.
Loving life.
Upset. How many times did you lose? See, like, everyone's laughing at you, James. Everyone. So I'm gonna conclude the vlog there for the day. What are you doing? We are literally just sitting and doing nothing, and it's a little bit pointless showing you guys us doing nothing. So we're gonna eat soon, and then probably just watch the rest of Beauty and the Beast, and then I think MasterChef's on. Was it MasterChef's on tonight?
Oh, it's a Great British Menu.
We're big foodies. Also, we are going to be starting the keto diet in, not this week now, because we've got friends coming around at the weekend for a barbecue next week.
The 3rd of September.
3rd of September. If anybody's got any advice or has done it before,
let us know what we're getting ourselves into, because
let us know in the comments below.
I'm a bit worried about it.
James is shitting himself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.
Bye.